going to show how to create hem. The hem is used for blunting out the sharp edges. These parts can be source of hazard, so to reduce it, that sharpness, introduce hem. Another function of hem is to increase the stiffness of this edge. Stiffness. You can also use it to serve as a place for hinge support, for hinges. Let's see the different types of hem. Sheet metal hem. The first type is closed method. Let's give it a distance of 80 millimeter. You can see close the hem. Some particularly increase stiffness and reduce sharpness of the edge. Another type of hem we'll look at is the open. So in this one, I can give it 12 cap distance, 2 milli. So this is the close type of hem, the preview. Another type of hem. Let's look at the type of teardrop. Teardrop can be used as or hinge support. I'll give the radius of 5. The angle 200 degrees. You can reduce the radius of say 2.5. So in this place you can place your hinge support. So the close type is used as hinge support. Next is a rule type. I'm going to give it a total of 44. 8. Radius of 15. So it has been used to close the scalp. So that's basically different types of hem. It's their functionality.